solar powered Wi-Fi security cameras. I don't know how they work. Let's figure this out. Well, it's time to upgrade the security camera system here at the house. And what I need to do is I just need to fill in some spots that we can't see or that we want to see better. The problem is those areas, there's no electricity in those areas. So what I've come up with, what I had to come up with is a solar powered camera that's Wi-Fi based. That means I could pretty much set it up anywhere, get it communicating with our internet system here, and then I could watch it on my phone wherever I'm at. This is what I got. They're not a sponsor. I didn't get anything from them. I paid from this with my own money. Bought it on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. And I don't have an Amazon store either, so I'm not getting any money off that either. I'm going to tell you exactly how it goes. Now, I don't know anything about this, okay? Haven't opened the box. Don't know what's inside. I'm no good at unboxing videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to point a camera down. We'll lay the stuff out here. I'll download the app. I'll get it up and going, and we'll see how it goes. My goal is to get one camera just working. Just get it up, get it working, and that'll probably be it for the video. I'm not going to show you installing cameras and stuff like that. But anyway, so let's get at it. Okay, now keep in mind, I am not the most tech savvy person on the planet here, so there's no telling how this is going to go. Now what is this? It's a ReoLink, and it comes with the solar panel and an outdoor camera, and it's Wi-Fi based. The model number is, I have no idea, whatever that is, X003RBDUVV. Is that the model number? I don't know. There is a screenshot of the specifications. Again, I'll put a link down in the description so you can just go there and get the correct stuff. So, before we even get started, it says to go to the Google Store or Apple Store, whatever your preference is, and get the ReoLink app. So I'm doing that right now, and it's downloading. And while that's doing that, I'm out in my shop, so I'm not, 100% sure everything will work way out here, but we'll find out here in a minute. And also, I am not a really good teacher. I pretty much just do stuff. So if my explanation isn't the greatest, I apologize now. Quick start guide. I'll set that down here. Operating instructions, I'm not ready for that. And here's some templates for mounting stuff and a sticker. We'll set that over here too. So, cardboard and camera base, connector, some mounting stuff. We'll set the mounting stuff over there. It's got a little antenna, and here's the camera. So let me get the camera out, and we'll push this guy. Okay, let me try to get the camera out. Push that back a little bit. Take a look at this. Now, it comes in black and white. We opted for white because it was about, 15 bucks cheaper. And when you buy a bunch of cameras, that adds up. So we'll put this stuff back in here. Set that aside. Set this down here. And it's a ReoLink, again, of course. And the model is Argus Eco, ARGUS ECO. And the username's admin.
That's good. I'll probably need to know that later in the setup here. So if it'll sit, let's get the antenna on. Nothing special about this. It just screws right on. Hopefully it'll screw on pointing up. It does. There we go. So the antenna's on. Is that up? I would assume that that is up. Does that look about right to you? And we'll put the, there's a mounting plate for the camera. And then we'll attach the base, just so we have something for it to sit on, because it was literally just rolling around there for a minute. That's tight. Loosen this here up, down at the bottom, the set nut or jam nut or whatever. We'll tighten that back down. Okay. There we go. Now, I'm fairly certain I should be reading instructions now. So there's the camera. Let's identify everything on this. Okay, and you could, I'm sure you could download this stuff online. It identifies what everything is. Set up camera. Download and launch the app. Let's see if that's done. And we'll hit open. And there it goes. It's up and going. Terms of service, nobody ever reads those. And it's not, there we go. And it wants to access my photos and media on this device. I'm going to say allow. And it says I don't have any cameras here, so I got to wait. Now when I do go to add a camera, I'm to push that plus up in that corner. So let's get this thing fired up. Download. So we've got that. Charge the battery. It's recommended to fully charge the battery before mounting the camera. Well, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to see if I can get fired up. I want to see if there's if there's enough of a charge in this to get it at least operational, because that's all that really matters. I'm not going to show you where I'm mounting my camera because, you know, I'm not going to. So here's the solar panel. We'll set the camera out of the way. You know what it looks like now. There's the solar panel. Big long cable. The camera mount. Some more mounting stuff that I probably won't use. More mounting stuff. Another mounting plate. And trash. So we'll put that in there and we'll set all this stuff aside. So let's get this guy mounted on its little holder. Loosen this guy, spin this up at like a 45 or so, put that on, tighten it down, and spin it into the hole. And there we go. The solar panel is now mounted. Have you ever wondered about getting shocked by a solar panel? I have. I've got a big solar project coming up, and it's almost 10 kW. And yeah, I'm worried about cooking myself with it. So anyway, oops, my phone shut off. I don't want that to happen. Set that over there. Okay, so now I gotta plug this into here. So according to, let's see where it goes. Item 11 is the power port. And under here, that's item 11 right there. It says USB. Okay. It opens up. Here is, this has like it's rubber or silicone or something. And it's got the little ridges on it, so it looks like it's a good weather seal. Anyway, this goes in here. And there's a very faintly, unplug that. Let's see if that goes away. Yep. Okay. You're not going to be able to see it, but right there, as soon as I plugged in the solar panel, a little tiny, very faint green LED came on, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's right above my finger there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's there. I just barely can see it. Okay, so power's going from here to here. So now, tighten that up so it doesn't fall over again. It probably will. let's see if see if we can get it up and running. Oh, micro SD card. We need to put a micro SD card in it, and that's what's in this package. It came in a separate package, but interesting, it's actually a ReoLink SD card. So hopefully they formatted it for their system, and some people are probably freaking out now because I'm using a knife to open up an SD card, but I think we'll survive. Yeah, it's package and a package and a package. And the interesting thing about this is it's got a little crack thing on here, so you can pop it like that and get it open. And, well, it sort of kind of helps. It gets you through the first layer of paper. Now let's see if I can get, I'm amazed more SD cards aren't broke just simply because of the packaging. So now I gotta split those two to get this guy open. And there doesn't seem to be one of the corners lifted. And there we go. So I got it off. And there's the SD card. Try not to touch the contacts because I have no idea where my fingers have been. We'll open this up. According to the drawing here, the micro SD card goes under here. Yep. That and the fact that it says micro SD right there. And let's see what else is under this little flappy doodle. Card goes in. I don't know if that's in all the way or locked. I have no idea. It does not feel right. That's because I'm putting it in wrong. So it has the shiny gold things. It has those fingers going up. There we go. And it's in. There's also an on-off under here. And a reset. So there's your on-off switch and your reset. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I don't know if you're supposed to now or not, but I have turned it on. And there we go.
Welcome to ReoLink. Please install ReoLink app and scan the QR code on the camera.
Okay, we've done that.
Willkommen bei ReoLink. Bitte ReoLink App installieren und den QR-Code auf der Kamera scannen.
Okay, that's kind of annoying. So I'm going to push this button up here, and it's going to ask me if I want to take pictures. Yes, while using the app. And then now it wants to scan the QR code. So there we go. So I've got the camera connected. Now it's saying I have to configure the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to click on that. Make sure the camera is powered and powered on. It is. And I'm going to click on next. And it says, please power the camera and wait for the voice prompts. Well, we're getting the voice prompts. Yeah, because they won't shut up. And I have heard the voice played, so I would click on that and click next. Okay, again, yes, while using the app. This is my Wi-Fi system here. So I have to put the password in. And I think I got it right. Yes, and that's good. And we hit next. Okay, so what it's going to do is it says now to connect your camera to the Wi-Fi network, face it to your phone and let the camera, scan the QR code on the screen. Scan now, so I hit that, and a QR code pops up here, and I have to point that.
Willkommen bei ReoLink. Bitte ReoLink App installieren und den QR-Code.
Okay, so it looked at it.
Camera is connecting to your router.
It says
Please
that-
wait.
And it says I've asked me if I have heard the beep. I've heard the beep. And I
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to ReoLink.
okay. So it says
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to ReoLink.
okay. And I hit next. Now it's connecting. Now it's connecting my phone via the router to the camera. And I have to create a password. So hold on. Let me create a password here. Don't look. Now I got to confirm the password. And we should be good. And next. And naming your device. We're going to call it camera 1. And next. And it's going to be outdoor. Next. It gives me don't point it at the sun and other stuff like that. So I read that. We hit next. Okay, finish. I've hit finish and it works. It is now looking, this is my light up here. So it is now looking at my light. So hopefully you can see that. Can I see my hand? No. Oh, it's not running. It's just a picture. So I'll do it. It's loading the system. Hey, there is my pretty face on the camera. See? So it is working. So, well, there you go. I figured it out. We got it up and running. We got it connected on the phone, and thanks for watching.